Hey everyone, hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate free AI videos without any paid subscription or watermark. So let's jump right into it. First, open roboneo.com. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site's load, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on login button in the top right corner. You can either continue with your Google account, Facebook account, or your email address. For this video, I'll choose email and then click on register now. For this video, I'll use a temporary email. So go to temp mail and copy the email address and paste it into Roboneo. Then choose a strong password and click register button. Since I'm using an incognito tab, it's asking me to complete a robo verification first. So complete the robo verification, and after the verification a code will be sent to the email address. So go back to temp mail and wait for the email to arrive. Once you receive the email, open it and copy the code and paste it into Roboneo and click the next button. Finally, our account is set up and you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on new project in the left sidebar and again move your cursor over the plus icon and select video. Then choose text to video. A new workspace will be opened. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a video prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once the prompt is ready, simply copy it and paste it into roboneo.com. After that, click on the video model section where you'll find different video generation models like sedans, happy horse, Kling, When, and many others. But for this video, I'll choose Kling 2.6. Next, select the aspect ratio, video duration, and sound included or not. Finally, click the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. This tool gives you 70 free credits as a sign-up bonus and 20 free daily credits. You can sign up on roboneo.com with your personal Google account, Facebook account, or your personal email address. It's completely up to you. But if you use a Google account, Facebook account, or your personal email address, then you would need to have too many accounts. So if you want to create more than one video or longer video content, I suggest using a temporary email. Once your credits run out with one temporary email, simply sign up again using another email address and generate as many videos as you want. So let's wait for the video to be generated. And here we go. Our free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So guys, with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.